Hey, how is it going? This is Dino Redwell here from rackmedia.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to boost your sound quality in your car, and here we'll be taking the Ford Fiesta as an example. Okay, so first of all you head on to the menu. From menu, head on to audio. Okay, next sound. From sound, as you can see here, my settings. So just adjust the treble and the bass, so you can put the bass into the maximum and the treble into the middle. Okay, the bass to the maximum and the treble to the middle. Take example of sound quality. As you can see here, there is a change. So I will boost. Sorry, we cannot raise the volume to the maximum, as you know, this is for copyright. So after doing this, we head on next to DSP equalizer. As you can see here, the equalizer is off, so all we need to do is just to switch it on, and you select your preferred equalizer. It is recommended to choose pop, as it will enhance the sound quality. Okay, take example. See here, voice. As you can see, with pop, sound quality is better. Okay. Okay. If you are driving, you can access the equalizer and the settings from this tune in here. Just press it.
www.rackmedia.com.
Pressing the note here. Pressing this note will make the menu appear, and select the treble, bass, etc. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.